Uy, strike. Fish on. Fish on. Fish on. Fish on. Yan. Oh, sinabit pa. Ah, come on. Yan, yan. Sumabay na. Come on, fish on. Anong klaseng isda kaya to? First catch ko to, first catch for the day. Uy, canoping. Canoping. Emperor fish. First catch. Yan. Parang anda ko yata to. First time ko yata yung canoping. Yan. Isa lang. Dito tayo sa mababaw kasi ano, medyo malakas mga alon.